I honestly don't know how you eat so much salad. Don't you ever crave a big, juicy burger?
I do, but I feel so much better when I eat clean. My energy levels are stable and I don't feel heavy anymore.
I get that, but life is too short to be so strict. A little bit of junk food once in a while makes me happy.
Happiness is important, but so is your health. You're young now, but it's harder to change bad habits when you're older.
I exercise 4 times a week. Doesn't that balance out the occasional pizza or burger?
It helps, but exercise doesn't fix everything. It's about what you put into your body every single day.
I suppose you have a point. Maybe I could try eating more vegetables during the week and save the junk food for the weekend.
That sounds like a perfect compromise. It's all about balance, not being perfect.
Fine, you win. Let's go to that new healthy cafe for lunch instead of the burger place.
See? You'll feel much better this afternoon, I promise.
You look exhausted. Did you sleep at all last night?
Not really. I kept waking up every hour. I think I finally fell into a deep sleep around 5 a.m.
That's terrible. Have you been drinking too much coffee in the afternoons?
Maybe. And I've been looking at my phone until midnight. I know I should stop, but I can't seem to put it down.
The blue light from your phone is definitely part of the problem. You need to create a no-screen routine before bed.
What do you suggest? I get bored if I just lie there in the dark.
Try reading a paper book or listening to some calm music. It helps your brain relax instead of staying active.
I'll try that tonight. I also need to stop checking my work emails once I get home.
That's a great idea. Your brain needs time to switch off. Let's try to get you an early night tonight.
Thanks for the advice. I really hope I can get a full 8 hours tonight.
I really don't feel like going to the gym today. It's raining and my couch is so comfortable.
I know, but remember why you started. You felt so proud after last week's workout.
That's true. I just feel so tired today. Maybe I'll just take a rest day.
If you take a rest day now, it'll be easier to skip tomorrow, too. Just go for 20 minutes.
20 minutes? I guess I can do that. I don't have to do the full hour, right?
Exactly. The hardest part is just putting on your shoes and walking out the door.
You're right. Once I get there, I usually feel much better anyway.
That's the spirit. Plus, imagine how good you'll feel once you're done and you're back on that couch.
Okay, you've convinced me. Let's go. Meet me at the gym in 20 minutes.
Perfect. I'll be waiting for you.
I really think we should stop buying these frozen dinners. They have so much sodium and preservatives.
They are convenient, though. I get home at 7 p.m. I don't have time to cook a fresh meal every single night.
We can cook on Sundays and freeze the meals ourselves. It's cheaper and we know exactly what's in them.
Sunday is my only day to relax. I don't want to spend 4 hours in the kitchen prepping for the whole week.
It doesn't have to be 4 hours. If we do it together, it could be fun. We can listen to some music and chat.
I guess, but I really like variety. Eating the same thing for 3 days in a row gets boring.
We can make different portions. Look, let's just try it for 1 week. If you hate it, we can go back to the frozen meals.
Fine, 1 week. But you're in charge of the menu and it has to include something tasty.
Deal. I'll look up some easy recipes tonight. You'll be surprised at how good it tastes. Hey, I heard you've been feeling pretty sick the last few days. How are you holding up?
Thanks for checking in on me. Honestly, I'm just feeling weak and frustrated. It's hard to do anything around the house.
Don't worry about the house. Is there anything I can pick up for you from the store? Soup, medicine?
You're very kind. Maybe some fresh fruit and some herbal tea? That would be great.
Consider it done. I'll drop it off on your porch so you don't have to worry about catching whatever you have.
I really appreciate that. I just hate being stuck in bed all day.
I know it's annoying, but you have to rest to get better. Don't try to rush back to work too soon.
I'll try to listen to you. My boss already told me to take the whole week off.
Good. Listen to your boss and your body. I'll be there in an hour with the supplies.
Thank you so much. You're a great friend.
Do you think it will be much longer? We've been here for over 2 hours.
I'm not sure. The nurse said it's a very busy night. I hope your dad is doing okay.
He seems stable, but it's just so stressful sitting here not knowing what the doctors will say.
I understand. Waiting is always the hardest part. Just try to breathe slowly.
You're right. I'm just glad you're here with me. I don't think I could do this alone.
I wouldn't leave you alone for anything. We'll get through this, whatever the results are.
Thanks. I really appreciate your support. Do you want to go grab a coffee from the machine?
That's a good idea. Let's go, but keep your phone close just in case they call.
Good thinking. Let's go.
I've been feeling really anxious about the big presentation tomorrow. My heart won't stop racing.
I'm sorry you're feeling that way. Have you tried doing some breathing exercises?
I did, but it only helps for a minute. I'm just scared I'm going to forget everything I practiced.
You know the material perfectly. You've practiced it a dozen times. You're going to be great.
I hope so. I just wish I could turn off these what-if thoughts in my head.
Everyone gets nervous, even the most experienced speakers. Maybe visualize yourself finishing the talk and feeling relieved.
That's a nice thought. I'll try that. Maybe I should stop practicing now and just get some rest.
Definitely. Your brain needs a break. Take a hot shower and try to relax. You've got this.
Thanks. You always know exactly what to say to calm me down.
I can't catch my breath. My chest feels so tight.
Hey, look at me. You are safe. You're having a panic attack, but it's going to pass. Follow my lead. Breathe in slowly.
It's not working. I feel like I'm going to pass out.
You aren't going to pass out. Just focus on my voice. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now out through your mouth.
Okay, that's a little better.
Good. Keep going. Focus on something in the room. What color is that chair over there?
It's blue.
Perfect. Keep breathing. You're doing great. It's passing. I promise.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. This is so embarrassing.
Don't be sorry. It's not your fault. Just keep breathing. We're almost there.
Why are you still working? It's nearly midnight and you have to be up at 6 a.m.
I know, but I'm just so close to finishing this report. If I leave it for tomorrow, I'll be behind schedule.
You won't be behind. You'll be sick. You've been working nonstop for weeks.
I just feel like I have so much to do. I feel guilty when I'm not being productive.
Your health is more important than a report. Nothing you do tonight will be as good as it would be after a good night's sleep.
You're probably right. My eyes are burning and I've been reading this same sentence for 5 minutes.
Exactly. That's your sign to stop. Close the laptop. I'll make you some herbal tea.
Okay, you win. I'll finish it first thing in the morning when my brain is fresh.
That's the plan. Let's head to bed.
I've been reflecting on my job lately. I think I need to make some changes to my work-life balance.
I agree. You're always checking emails on the weekends. It's like you never really leave the office.
It's because I want to do a good job, but I feel like I'm missing out on everything else. My hobbies, my friends, even relaxing with you.
That's fair. What do you think you can change?
I'm going to start by turning off all work notifications on my phone at 6 p.m. No exceptions.
That sounds like a great start. Will your manager be okay with that?
I'll explain that it helps me be more productive during the day. If I'm well rested, I'm a better worker.
That makes perfect sense. What are you going to do with your new free time?
I'm going to sign up for that pottery class I've been talking about. It'll be nice to do something creative again.
I love that idea. I'm proud of you for making this change.